So rat exists on the belly or in the wing fairing, depending on the aircraft type. We have right here is the blue hydraulic system and the rad control panel. On the rad control panel, there is 3 indication lights: green, red, and amber. As we can see here, this is the amber light. The amber light comes on in the event of the blade's misalignment. Right here we have the rad. As you can see, on the rudder and stator, there is 2 arrows. These 2 arrows right here must be aligned in order to retract the rad. And the red light right here comes on as long as the actuator is pressurized to retract. The green light comes on when the rad is fully retracted. Adjacent, there is 3 switches: the reset, stow, switch. When stow is selected, the rad is controlled to retract. The reset position is used to unlatch the electrical retraction inhibition circuits following an interlock warning. The lamp test is used to check the indication lights. The on and off guarded switch allows to supply the ram air turbine control panel. This is right here is the ground test connector.